Hi everyone. So in this session, we will solve one more question that is related to sacrificing ratio. So first of all, you have to observe the question. Rohit and Mohit are partners in a firm. There are two partners in a firm. They are sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3. So when there are only two partners in the business, at that time they are sharing entire profits in the proportions of 5:3. This is what old profit sharing ratio. They admit Vijay. Vijay as a new partner. Vijay as new partner for 1/7 share in the profits. So Vijay as a new partner, right? They are admitting. So in the future profits of 1/7 share in the business organization. After that admission of a new partner, the new profit sharing ratio will be 4:2:1. 4:2:1. This is what new profit sharing ratio. So calculate the sacrifice ratio of Rohit and Mohit. So Rohit and Mohit both are old partners, right? So old partners, they are sacrificing some part of profit to the incoming partner. The incoming partner Vijay, right? Now we need to ascertain sacrifice ratio of Rohit and Mohit. So first we need to write the headline: calculation of sacrifice ratio. Calculation of sacrifice ratio of Rohit and Mohit. But before the going formula, first we need to record data. Whatever the data given in the question, all the data now we need to record. The first one, old profit sharing ratio. Old profit sharing ratio is available, right? 5:3. This is what old profit sharing ratio. 5:3. This ratio easily we can convert it as 5 plus 3 8. 5 divided by 8:3/8. This is what ratios. So 5/8. This is what share of Rohit, and 3/8. This is what Mohit share. This is what old profit sharing ratio. And the same meaning, the new partner is Vijay, right? What is the share of Vijay? Vijay's share 1/7 in the future profits. They are sacrificing 1/7 share in the future profits. The next one, after the admission of a new partner, the new profit sharing ratio will be 4:2:1. 4:2:1. This is what old profit sharing ratio. Now we can convert into ratios. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. 4 divided by 7:2/7:1/7. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. This is what given data regarding ascertainment of sacrifice ratio between Rohit and Mohit. For the calculation of sacrificing ratio, there is a formula. Now we need to apply the formula. Sacrifice ratio equals to old profit sharing ratio minus new profit sharing ratio. Old profit sharing ratio, it is also called, it is also right, we can old share minus NPS of this new share. This is what formula for that ascertainment of sacrifice ratio. So in the beginning, first we need to calculate Rohit sacrifice share. The first one, sacrifice share of Rohit. Sacrifice share of Rohit. So as per the given information, first we need to enter old profit sharing ratio, right? So old profit sharing ratio is available 3:2, right? The old share of Rohit 5/8. 5 divided by 8. This is what old share of Rohit. Rohit share is 5 right? 5 plus 3, 8. 5 divided by 8, this is what? Old share of Rohit. Minus new share. After that admission of a Bijoy, the new profit sharing ratios are 4 is to 2 is to 1, right? 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. 4 divided by 7. So this is what calculation. Now we need to simplify. At the time of simplifying, the denominator fractions. The denominator fractions both are different and even number both are included, right? So in this situation we can't able to find that LCM factor. So in this situation directly we can cross multiply. How we need to cross multiply? So 8 sevens are 56. 8 sevens are 56. Now we can cross multiply by the way of. So 5 sevens are, we need to multiply as cross multiply. 5 sevens are 35. Minus 8 fours are 32. So 8 sevens are 56, 5 sevens are 35, 8 fours are 32. Now we need to simplify. 35 minus 32. What is the differentiation balance? 35 minus 32, 3. 3 divided by 56. This is what? Sacrifice share of Rohit. And the same thing now we need to find the sacrifice share of Mohit. Sacrifice share of Mohit. The old share of Mohit. The old share is 3, right? 3 divided by 8. 3 by 8, this is what? Old share of Mohit. Minus new profit sharing ratio. After that admission of a Bijoy, the new ratios are 4 is to 2 is to 1. These ratios we are converted as 4 by 7, 2 by 7 and 1 by 7, right? Now we need to write 2 by 7. This is what share of Mohit. 2 divided by 7. So here also we need to cross multiply. Why? Because both the denominator fractions are different. Add and even number both are included, right? So in this situation we can't be able to find the LCM factor. So have to cross multiply. 8 sevens are 56. 8 sevens are 56. Again we can cross multiply by the way of 3 into 7 and 8 into 2. 3 sevens are 21. 3 sevens are 21. And the same minus common factor. 8 twos are 16. 3 sevens are 21, 8 twos are 16, 8 sevens are 56. This is what calculations. So 21 minus 6. What is the differentiation? 21 minus 6, 16. The differentiations are 5 divided by 56. This is what? Sacrifice share of Mohit. Finally, now we need to simplify. Sacrifice share of Rohit and Mohit. So in the beginning we are calculated Rohit sacrifice share. The share of Rohit 3, right? 3 divided by 56 is to the Mohit sacrifice share also we are calculated. The Mohit partner 5 by 56. So go that 56 cancel means the simplifications are 3:5. 3:5. So this is what sacrifice share of Rohit and Mohit. Both the partner they are sacrificing three on the proportion on the basis of 3:5 ratios into incoming partner. Who is that incoming partner? Vijay. Vijay is a new partner. This is what sacrifice share of Rohit and Mohit. So in the next session we will solve some more questions related to these sacrifice ratios. Thank you students.